Tamparuli, Jambatan Tamparuli. This is the Jambatan. Jambatan English bridge. Jambatan.
Why is there just a giant? Why is there just a random pine up there? Why is the truck everywhere? The yellow truck is from the yellow truck is going to us for some reason. I've seen him when we got to the mountain. I see him when we got on the bridge. I see him later, and I see him now behind a few other cars. Like he's getting closer. Like that yellow truck.
对，这是啊，啊，这本书啊，可是把金刚，把金一个书，是吧？把那个那个书啦。没有人吃，什么吃的呢？对吧？现在对对，我是我，是这样的，在那个什么，那个是在牛肉的牛肉在里面，而且不可以不会。那个差不多了啊，把它才新的，它不用点。
Finally arrived in the bonsai house, guys. Bonsai, daming bonsai dito. Ang sarap bit-bitin. Pero ang ganda, guys, oh, bonsai. Ayan, madaming bonsai. So, ang tawag dito sa ano na to is bonsai house. Gabi. Ayan na si Gabi. Nagbit-bit na sa kanyang unan. So, dito daw kami titira. Ayan, ang ganda dito. Mga bonsai na kapaligid. Maraming mga plants. Ayan. Tapos may kanal dito. May kanal sa tubig. Tapos may barbecue house din. Sa picture, ang maiba man sa picture. Sa picture kasi malaki. Tapos mayroon siyang playground. Ito lang pala yung playground. O baka doon sa kabila mayroon. Tapos ang dami nilang tanim na mga kamatis na doon sa unahan. Oh, sa may gilid sa hagdan. Ayan. So hindi pa kami nakapasok sa bonsai house. Dito kami. Kaming lahat. Ayan. Okay? So, papasok na kami, guys. Mga bato-bato dito. Ang daming bato. Mga wibos. Ayan. Tapos dito mag-standby ang mga boys. Mag-barbecue dyan. Dyan magkain mamaya. Mag-barbecue kami.
Barbecue.
Tapos dyan, mag-talking-talking. So, while we are waiting, kasi nandun pa yung isang, ang ganda ng upuan. So, upo ka muna dyan. Grab. Ayan yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, guys. Una, maraming tomato. Ang dami nilang tomato, guys. Ayan, the tomato. Ang dami-dami. Oh, ang lulusog. Kaya siya tinatawag na bonsai house, guys. Kasi, ang mga plants nila dito ay mga bonsai. Ini ano di? Free ka?
Oh, ini kinaminta sama Miss Camila.
Ah, may kamaminta la. Oh, banyak betul loh. Healthy lagi, tomato. Ah, wow. Ada lagi plants. Banyak sayur-sayur. Wow, there's a pichay, guys. Ini pun boleh, ano, belilah. Beli. Yang ini sayur-sayur. Kalau mau beli.
Oh, kalau mau beli pun kena tanya Miss Camila.
Ah, mau tanya sama lah. Apa yang dibawa sini, Dik?
Oh, ini bilik Camila sama bilik bos kami.
Ah, yang staff
Ya.
bilik
Ya.
dibawa. Oke. Wow. Dami nilang plants, guys. Ang laki ng mga gardens. Ang dami nilang ano, mayroon sila susini. Ayun, oh, naka-yellow na. So, pwede tayo ano dito ng gulay, guys. Guys, maayong hapon. So, naan ako diri sa aming homestay. Ito po yung backyard. Ang dami nilang vegetables, garden. Ayan. Ang mga staff dito na rin sila nagstay. Mayroon pong exercise dyan. Ay, nandito pala. Itong nakita ko sa video, guys. Marami silang sushini, guys. Tapos dito mag-barbecue. Pwede dito sa likod. Pwede din sa harap. Ayan. Tapos mamaya ko na i-tour sa inyo yung loob ng bonsai homestay. Ayan. Mag-exercise dyan every morning. Tapos dito mag-upo-upo. Ay, ang ganda dito, guys. Napaka-refreshing. Mayroon silang tangki dyan. Mayroon silang mga... ang ganda ng paligid talaga. Mga puno na dito, banda. Mayroon silang lights. Tapos, dito yung another rooms na one queen and one double single. Ayan, mayroon din sariling toilet. Pero, maganda dito kasi mayroon silang sariling bathroom. Ay, parang mas gusto ko dito. Lipat nga kami. Oy, Daddy! Dito na. Ito kasi yung pinili namin. De! Macam cantik di sini. Oh, ada sendiri toilet. Sana lagi ta. Dia orang di sana kan sebelah. Oh. Gab, di sana kita, Gab. So, lilipat kami, guys. Kasi ito common, itong bathtub.
I said go back. I said go back, not sit down. I said go back.
Go back? Go back where?
No, go back here.
Ah, okay. Like that. Outside. So, there's a toy there. You can play.
No, I'm not.
We have strawberry.
I am not a 5-year-old, Mom. I am not a 5-year-old.
Ha?
I am not a 5-year-old.
Kuha ko ng strawberry mamaya.
Ah, my slipper.
There's so many weebles. I don't care. Okay, go. Sister go. Wait first. Ay, hold on. Ang pangit ng ano na to, yung binigyan ni Mr. na tripod, ang tigas, virgin pa, bago pa kasi. Grabe guys, sobrang lamig talaga dito. Tapos mayroon po ditong higaan, yung tambayan diyan, parang yung yung meat sa kabila. Ay, talagang ma-enjoy ka sa view. Talagang very family friendly or kids friendly yung space. Hindi ito mahagno, guys. Kaya ito. Laki ang puno. Gutom na ako, hindi kami nagtanghalian, guys. Nag-snack lang kami. Si Gavin ganun ang hutsura ngayon kasi napahinto ko sa pagtitingin ng kanyang tablet kasi nalubat. Na-charge ko muna. Pero ako, gutom na talaga ako, guys. Pero dami ko kayong na-breakfast kanina.
I'm kind of thirsty.
Nagutom. Huh?
I'm kind of thirsty. Where's the water?
And there in the room, in the table, on the side table, in the table there, with the mirror side.
Okay.
You can go up there, but don't see the handphone first because the handphone is charging, huh? Okay?
So when are we gonna?
Ah, you can lie down there later. Come back here after drinking, okay? Or you can bring the water, come here. Mommy will drink. Mommy want to drink also. Where you going?
Lay down there now.
Ayan daw siya guys, maglalaro na siya. Ah, there you. That one is
Kind of scary.
you can lie down in there.
Kind of scary.
So scary.
No, I said kind of.
They will know that if you fall down.
Ah, like that. Oh, nice. Guys. That's because we're on mountain. You told me it would be cold.
Yeah, you go to the pool.
But it's not cold.
Ay, tabak. Ang lamig. Ang lamig dito guys, sobra. Bakit ang dilim? Ang dilim ng kamera ko eh. Ayan, dyan kami oh, maghiga ni Gabin. Ayan na. Gang.
Try my best.
Relaxing. Oy, nana. You can sleep na na.
Sleep out in the wild.
It's relaxing.
What about rain? Mom, mom, mom. They should really put a cover.
You don't
They-
listen to the purpose. The purpose of this is the sea sky.
They should probably put some glass then.
Yeah.
Because glass is visible.
Listen to city there. Solar system. You can sleep here. In the
I am not sleeping here. You think I'm being dumb enough?
yeah, you can sleep here.
Think I'm stupid enough?
You can sleep here. No, you cannot.
Double. Double. Where did this come from?
So, ayan guys, matutulog man kami nito ni Gavin muna guys. Kasi hindi pa naluto yung barbecue, matutulog muna kami. Dito sa labas, kasi wala namang mga puno na nakaharang dyan. So, hindi siya delikado sa mga insects. So, maganda dito tulugan, ang lamig. Okay, ewan ko na. Very cool. Oh, I love the nature fresh. You know why very cool this place? There's so many trees.
And why on earth is it up?
Look, this is top of the mountain.
Fire!
How I wish I can live like this at place.
Then
We
do
have a
it.
house.
Okay, do it. Do it. I dare you to do it.
You know the land here is very expensive. We can afford to buy.
Obviously, we're
We
poor.
have a million ringgit.
We have a million ringgit.
Million
Okay,
ringgit
then.
I will buy here. I will build a house here. And then I'm gonna make it like a homestay.
Yeah, they're not strong. But what about the grip? I tried. That's enough. That's enough. Okay, enough. I could not do it. Who's the bottom? Okay, eat them.
Huh?
Okay, eat one. Find the perfect one.
Oh my God, the peoples. Yan guys, mayroong strawberry dito. So, tikman natin. Ayan. May strawberry. Hinog siya.
Now eat
Ay, it's already rotten. It's already rotten.
So
The insects already eat. Oh my God, sayang naman.
I'm going back.
All the strawberry is rotten. Yan, nabubulok na siya guys. So sayang. Ayan, may maliit. Pero bulok man. Nabubulok na ang strawberry na bulok. Ang mga strawberry. Oh my God, pero bulok ang mga bunga. Ang liliit ng mga bunga, tapos bulok pa. Siguro hindi maganda yung tubo. Maganda din dito sa kabila guys. So, meron din silang barbecue area. Ang laki-laki din ng space. Meron silang fire station. Fire. Nag-enjoy si Gavin diyan. Nag-enjoy.